Finally here at 6, Camaros, Corvettes, and Mustangs. Oh my.
Get ready for the American Car, Truck, and Bike Show. It's tomorrow at the Bakersfield RV Resort. This is video of last year's event, and it was well attended, as you can see. Tomorrow's show starts at 10 a.m. It's free. There will be plenty of vendors on hand. There will also be a drawing for TVs, barbecues, and other items. The proceeds benefit Bakersfield's Ronald McDonald House. The goal is to raise more than $125,000. Last year,
Classic car enthusiasts, listen up. The All-American Car, Truck, and Bike Show is happening this morning, and it's all for a great cause. That's where we find 23 ABC's Tori Cooper, who's live from the Bakersfield RV Resort. Ooh, with one of my favorite people, Miss Scarlett Sabin with the Ronald McDonald House. Good morning, ladies.
Hey Faven, hundreds of cars, trucks, bikes of all different makes and models are going to be cruising down here this morning, all in an effort to help support the Ronald McDonald House charity. The charity helps provide a sense of normalcy for families that are going through difficult times. And I'm joined here live with one of your favorite friends, Scarlett, from the Ronald McDonald House, who's going to tell us a little bit more detail about what they provide at the house and how you can help support its cause. Good morning.
Good morning. The Ronald McDonald House is really a special place to keep families close during a really difficult time. When a child is hospitalized, it just creates chaos in the life of that family, and we just try to create a little bit of normalcy, like you said, during that difficult time. And since opening in 2009, we've served almost 5,000 families with our overnight and our day use accommodations from our small but mighty house here in Bakersfield. And we can't do it without the community, and this is one of the great events that helps support the Bakersfield Ronald McDonald House.
So how long have you guys been doing this event?
This is our 8th year of partnering on this event. It's 7 years out here at the Cresta Barn Grill / Bakersfield RV Resort, and it's just been a match made in heaven as far as the partnership. The Car Club loves the charity, and we love them. And they don't just support us today. They do things throughout the year to help. They come to the hospital and bring gifts for the kids in the hospital, or they come and do some other things at the Ronald McDonald House. And but this is our biggest event that we do with them each year.
Well, thank you so much. And if you would like to register your car for show off today, it's only $40 at the gate. It's free for everyone who attends as a spectator. There's going to be food, drinks also available, so make sure you head down here with you and your family. Reporting live in Southwest Bakersfield, I'm Tori Cooper for 23 ABC.
Well, classic car enthusiasts, listen up. The All-American Car, Truck, and Bike Show is happening this morning, and it's all for a great cause. That's where we find 23 ABC's Tori Cooper, who is live from the Bakersfield RV Resort. And it looks like you're in a pretty classic, cool ride there yourself, Tori.
That's right, Faven. Hundreds of cars, trucks, and bikes of all different makes and models are going to be cruising down here, all in an effort to help support the Ronald McDonald House charity. And I'm joined here live with Vincent Miller, who's a Tehachapi local who made his way down here to Bakersfield, all in an effort to help support the cause. And he's going to tell us all about his awesome ride and some of the unique elements to it. What's up, Vince?
It's a 1970 Dodge Dart. It has a manual shift automatic. The suspension is set up for road racing, not drag racing. It has a small block but a lot of speed parts in it, and it handles like a sports car.
So what's your favorite part about these car shows, and why did you get involved?
Ronald McDonald House.
Awesome.
We like to give to charity, so.
And so what about, putting all this effort into your car and being able to hear responses from community members is maybe fulfilling?
Oh, absolutely. It makes you proud of your car.
How many cars do you have?
I have 4 cars and 1 motorhome.
Wow. Well, I hope that you do well on the show, and if you would like to take part in today's show, you can register your vehicle at the gate for $40. All proceeds from today will go towards the Ronald McDonald House charity. The charity helps provide a sense of normalcy for families that are going through difficult times when their child is maybe in the hospital or experiencing other difficulties. So make sure that you head down here. The event is free for everyone who attends, and you could walk away with one of those grand prizes that they are going to be raffling off today. Reporting live in Southwest Bakersfield, I'm Tori Cooper for 23 ABC.
All Alrighty, classic car enthusiasts, listen up. The All-American Car, Truck, and Bike Show is happening this morning, and it's all for a great cause. That's where we find 23 ABC's Tori Cooper, who's live from the Bakersfield RV Resort with more on how you can be part of the excitement. Good morning, Tori.
Faven, hundreds of cars, trucks, and bikes of all different makes and models are cruising down this way, all in an effort to support the Ronald McDonald House charity. The charity helps provide numerous resources for people, and I'm joined here live with Eric, who's one of those classic car enthusiasts, who's going to tell us a little bit about the backstory on his car. So we're going to take a step back. But yeah, Eric, so tell me why does this car look like a highway patrol car?
Well, Tori, it was a California Highway Patrol vehicle, and it was a Golden Gate Division vehicle, and when the CHP retired it, it went back east to Illinois, where it became a tribute car. Long story short, the officer that they made a tribute car out of, he had some bad history behind him, and the car went back to black and white. We brought the car back to California, and we stored it back the way the California Highway Patrol had it, and we use it for events like this to support the Ronald McDonald House. Scarlett Sabin, who is the manager who manages the Ronald McDonald House, and that's what it's all about, support, with our community.
Awesome. And so I understand that this obviously was an active patrol car, but did you ever get to pull someone over in it?
No, unfortunately no, but people become better drivers when I take the cars out to events like this. They get off their cell phones, they put their seatbelts on, and they use their traffic indicators.
So you're really helping advocate for safety unintentionally, is what you're saying?
That's correct. In the short distance I travel, I've saved a couple lives out there on the road.
Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoy the car show, and if you would like to register your vehicle to show it off here to the community, it is only $40 at the gate. There's going to be drinks and food available. A restaurant is going to be also open throughout the event. There's going to be raffles taking place, and if you head down here, gates are already open, and you can walk away with one of those awesome grand prizes. So make sure you head down here as soon as you can. Reporting live in Southwest Bakersfield, I'm Tori Cooper for 23 ABC.
News at 6 p.m. Switching gears now, classic car enthusiasts, listen up. The All-American Car, Truck, and Bike Show is happening this morning, and it's all for a great cause. That's where we find 23 ABC's Tori Cooper, who's live from the Bakersfield RV Resort with more on how you can be part of the excitement. Good morning, Tori.
Faven, hundreds of cars, trucks, and bikes of all different makes and models are going to be cruising down here this morning, all in an effort to support the Ronald McDonald House charity. The charity has helped provide support for over 5,000 families. This car show alone raising over $100,000 just in the last 7 years. I'm actually joined here live with one of those classic car enthusiasts, Eric, who's going to tell us all about his car that's sitting behind us and a little bit of the awesome backstory. So Eric, let's take a step back, give them a little bit more of a wide shot here. Why does your car look like a CHP patrol car?
Well, Tori, it is a CHP car. It's a retired California Highway Patrol vehicle from the Golden Gate Division, and we restored it back, giving it delivery to the California Highway Patrol.
And so tell me a little bit about who this car was given to and how it got back here to California.
The car was auctioned off out of Sacramento, and it went back east to Illinois, where it became a tribute car. And during that time while I was back there, the officer that they made a tribute car out of had some bad standings with his department. Long story short, the car came back to California. We put it back to black and white colors, and we bring it to events like this for the Ronald McDonald House and Scarlett Sabin.
Awesome. And so tell me what you're looking forward to most about today.
Well, it's kind of fun to get the car out here, let the kids sit inside the car. It's just a great event to be at today.
Cool. Well, I hope that you enjoy it. We get some more other officers out of today if they get some kids in here and maybe see what you do and maybe keep the generation of officers going started right here at the car show. Now, if you would like to register your vehicle, you still can. The gates are open officially. It's only $40 to register your car. The event is free for everyone who attends, and there's going to be food, drinks also available, and there's going to be a raffle that is going to be taking place, and you can go home with one of those grand prizes. Reporting live in Southwest Bakersfield, I'm Tori Cooper for 23 ABC.
Tori, thank you. From dressers to
Special day.
jewelry.
how sweet. And hundreds showed up and showed out at the 2018 American Car, Truck, and Bike Show at the Bakersfield RV Resort. Well, residents from around Kern County showed up. All types of cars were there, and different models and muscles were on display. Now, those in attendance got to enjoy a host of activities, including food, live music, and vintage hot rods, and say there's just something about that old school ride that keeps them cool.
Nostalgia. I just think that people, you can buy all the new cars you want, you know, all the electric cars, electronics, but the old cars are just good old, they smell like a car when they're running, and they even smell like one inside.
Now, proceeds from the event were donated to the Bakersfield Ronald McDonald House.
Well, car enthusiasts packed the Bakersfield RV Resort for the American Car, Truck, and Bike Show, and it was all for a great cause. Community members got to check out classic cars, trucks, and motorcycles. There was also food and drinks available for everyone on hand. The event was solely focused on giving back to the community, with proceeds going to the Ronald McDonald House.
I love seeing all of the people and the passion they have for these cars, and they spend all day on a Saturday out here just to make a difference in the lives of the families that we serve. Some of them will ask me different questions about the house as I'm, walking around and thanking them, but it's just the passion that people have for impacting our organization. That's probably the best part of my day out here.
There was also numerous raffle drawings throughout the day. We're coming up, a family affair for a graduating class in Sacramento.